of NBA superstar LeBron James confronting Badman style, prominent sports analyst and commentator Stephen A. Smith. LeBron was in the face of Stephen A., telling him to keep his son Bronny James' name out of his beep beep mouth. What bratish, punkish and stupid behavior by LeBron James, whose son coming into the league was all by LeBron's design, exposing Bronny to all the pressures and expectations. None of the criticism he got was personal or unfair. Everyone was just saying Bronny is not ready for the NBA and is only in the league because of LeBron, and it is all true. So why should LeBron or his son Bronny James be exempt from public scrutiny and public comment and criticism when it's fair and credible criticism? And look, we all know about the father must defend their child jargon, but this has gone too far and has risen to the level of punkish, bratish behavior by LeBron. Yeah, man, punk!